Welcome to Luxury Ride, where we bring you the latest and most exciting developments in the automotive world. From cutting-edge designs to performance-packed machines, we've got you covered. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date. Now, let's dive into today's feature. The 2025 Toyota FT-1 is finally here, and it's every bit as stunning and performance-oriented as enthusiasts hoped it would be. Originally unveiled as a concept, the FT-1 has now made its way into production, carrying forward its bold styling and thrilling driving dynamics. This is Toyota's vision of the ultimate sports car, and it delivers on all fronts, combining cutting-edge technology with head-turning design. Let's start with what makes the FT-1 stand out: its design. Inspired by Toyota's legendary performance cars like the Supra and 2000 GT, the 2025 FT-1 looks like it belongs on a racetrack. The aggressive front fascia features sharp angles, large air intakes, and sleek LED headlights that give it a menacing presence. The sculpted hood, dramatic curves, and prominent aerodynamic elements all contribute to the car's performance-oriented aesthetics. From the side, the FT-1's long, low-slung profile and massive rear fenders make it clear this is a car built for speed. The 20-inch lightweight alloy wheels and side air vents add to the functional yet futuristic vibe. At the rear, the active spoiler, dual exhausts, and bold diffuser emphasize the car's focus on aerodynamics and high-speed stability. The FT-1 isn't just designed to turn heads, it's built to slice through the air with precision. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota FT-1 packs a powerful punch. Toyota has equipped this beast with a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering an estimated 500 horsepower. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and rear-wheel drive, the FT-1 offers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. The car is capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, making it a serious contender in the world of high-performance sports cars. For those who want even more performance, Toyota has introduced a hybrid variant of the FT-1. This version integrates an electric motor with the V6 engine, boosting power output to a staggering 600 horsepower while improving efficiency. With this hybrid setup, the FT-1 not only delivers jaw-dropping acceleration but also sets a new standard for eco-conscious performance in the sports car segment. Inside the cabin, the 2025 FT-1 is as futuristic as its exterior. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster and a heads-up display, providing all the essential information without distracting from the road. The steering wheel, inspired by Formula One design, integrates controls for quick access to driving modes and performance settings. Premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum create a luxurious yet sporty atmosphere. Technology is at the forefront of the FT-1's interior. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Toyota has also incorporated a cutting-edge performance telemetry system, allowing drivers to analyze their track performance in real time. An advanced audio system, designed specifically for the FT-1's cabin acoustics, ensures an immersive sound experience whether you're cruising or pushing the car to its limits. Safety is not overlooked either. The FT-1 comes equipped with Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. These systems provide peace of mind, even when you're unleashing the FT-1's full potential. On the road, the 2025 FT-1 is an absolute thrill. Its precise handling, sharp steering, and advanced suspension system make every turn feel alive. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or tackling the track, the FT-1 delivers an unmatched sense of connection between driver and machine. The 2025 Toyota FT-1 is not just a car, it's a statement. It represents Toyota's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and design. With its aggressive styling, impressive power, and advanced technology, the FT-1 is set to become a modern icon. Thanks for watching my channel. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Toyota FT-1, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible sports car. Until next time, drive safe and keep dreaming big.